Stop saying I'm tired. Feeling exhausted, but always saying I'm tired gets old fast. Let's level up with 5 awesome phrases to express that drain vibe. We're diving into 5 natural ways to say I'm tired in American English. These are perfect for everyday convos, and I'll break each one down with 2 real-life examples to help you use them like a pro. Let's make your English sound fresh and fluent. 1. I'm wiped out. This phrase means you're completely drained, like you've got zero energy left in the tank. It's super common and works in casual settings. Examples 1. I pulled an all-nighter for work, and I'm totally wiped out. Examples 2. After moving furniture all day, I'm so wiped out I can barely move. 2. I'm beat. This is a short, chill way to say you're exhausted. You can use it with friends or even at work if it's laid back. Examples 1. I've been studying for finals all week, and I'm just beat. Examples 2. That gym session was brutal. I'm beat and ready for a nap. 3. I'm knackered. This one's informal and a bit playful. It's like saying you're totally worn out, and it's great for casual chats. Examples 1. I spent hours cleaning the garage, and I'm absolutely knackered. Examples 2. We danced at the party till 2 a.m., and now I'm knackered. 4. I'm pooped. This sounds silly, but it's a cute, lighthearted way to say you're exhausted. Perfect for friends or family. Examples 1. I ran a 10K race this morning, and I'm completely pooped. Examples 2. Babysitting my nephew all day? Yeah, I'm pooped now. 5. I'm running on fumes. This means you're barely hanging on, like a car with almost no gas. It's vivid and people love it. Examples 1. I've been working 12-hour days, and I'm running on fumes. Examples 2. No sleep and a crazy schedule? I'm totally running on fumes. Each of these phrases adds some flavor to your English. You can mix and match them depending on the vibe, casual, playful, or dramatic. For example, you might say, I'm beat after a long day at school, but I'm running on fumes when you've been burning the candle at both ends. Try them out with your friends, coworkers, or even your English teacher to sound more natural. The key is to practice them in real conversations so they feel like second nature. You've got this. Which phrase are you trying first? Drop it in the comments and use it today to sound like a native speaker. Don't miss out.